Pop-ups are basically your auto messages that just look a bit different. They help you generate more website leads on autopilot by effectively grabbing visitors' attention at the right time. Let's create a pop-up as an example and name it something like, "Don't leave," and you'll see why in a second. But first, I want to show you that you can fully customize the look of your pop-ups, and this is where templates come in. Under Settings, you can adjust the pop-up's position, color, change the animation, as well as all of the text that you see in the preview. One of the most common use cases for pop-ups is when your visitor is about to leave your website, and in most cases, be gone forever. But with the exit intent pop-up, you get one last chance to make them stay on your website. This can be achieved with the time before exit intent rule that's right over here. As always, you can create as many rules as you want. Alright, once you finish customizing your pop-up, save it as a draft or launch it if it's already polished off and ready to go live. Utilize the power of pop-ups to encourage your users to perform the target action and ultimately convert them into leads.